This is the story of a city that stands by the edge of the Arabian Sea, where tragedy has become routine, a place where accidents, robberies, and moments of helplessness unfold so often that people have started calling it norm. This is Karachi, the city of lights. Here, gunshots, ambulances, traffic, and street crimes are not extraordinary events. They are part of the soundtrack of everyday life. Ask anyone, when was the last bad thing you saw or experienced? They might say a few days ago, maybe yesterday, maybe just hours back, and almost all of them will shrug and say, but it's Karachi. What else do you expect? But behind that shrug lies a story of fear, helplessness, exhaustion, and survival. People here are not heartless. They don't ignore suffering because they don't care. They hesitate because a thousand thoughts attack them within seconds. What if the injured person dies in my hands? What if it becomes a police or court case? What if they arrest me instead? What will happen to my family waiting at home? So there are so many buts and ifs. This is not numbness, it's fear, layered over exhaustion, layered over a life where even one extra burden can break a person. Every day, people wake up already carrying too much. Financial struggles, safety fears, emotional fatigue. Karachiites are not emotionally numb. They simply no longer have the capacity for one more pain, one more tragedy, or one more heartbreak. When life demands so much just to survive, feeling becomes a luxury.
डेली लाइफ रूटीन के अंदर हम कुछ अच्छे ख्यालात से भी गुज़र रहे होते हैं और कुछ ट्रॉमेटिक इंसिडेंट्स से भी गुज़र रहे होते हैं। जो ट्रॉमेटिक इंसिडेंट्स हैं, अगर हम उनको अपने ऊपर हावी रखेंगे तो फिर हम क्लिनिकली मेंटली तौर पे हम डिस्टर्बेंस की तरफ चले जाएंगे, जिसको हम क्लिनिकल डिसऑर्डर्स के अंदर कैटेगराइज करना फिर लेटर ऑन हम शुरू कर देते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे हम डिप्रेशन की बात करते हैं, हम पोस्ट ट्रॉमेटिक स्ट्रेस डिसऑर्डर की अगर हम बात करते हैं, सो ये वही सारी चीज़ें हैं कि जिसमें हम किसी भी ट्रॉमेटिक इंसिडेंट से गुजरे हैं और हम उसको अपने आप से अलहदा नहीं कर पा रहे, हम डिसएसोसिएट नहीं कर पा रहे, हम उसी इंसिडेंट में एसोसिएटेड हैं। सो अगर हमें आगे बढ़ना है, सो हम ये तो नहीं कह रहे कि हम उस चीज़ में एसोसिएटेड रहें या बिल्कुल डिसएसोसिएट हो जाएं, उस चीज़ से बिल्कुल ही बाहर हो जाएं या नंब हो जाएं। हाँ, हम उसमें से एक लेसन ज़रूर ले सकते हैं ताकि हम अपने आप को सेफ किस तरीके से रख सकते हैं।
Survival in this city, it's not just about money or jobs. It's about energy, mental, emotional, and physical. And Karachi drains all of it. Broken roads, endless traffic jams, honking, chaos. By the time people reach work, half their strength is gone. By the time they get home, the other half has disappeared. How can someone be emotionally stable when the city consumes them every single day? How can people raise their voices when they are already tangled in a struggle for basic needs? Here people are not living, they are barely surviving. As Irfan Khan beautifully said, I suppose in the end, the whole of life becomes an act of letting go. And Karachiites let go of 1,000 things every day. Hopes, expectations, dreams, even the small joys that make life feel like it. The tea is still served, the buses still run, the city keeps moving. Walls once marked by bullet holes, now covered with fresh posters and political slogans. The cycle repeats over and over like nothing happened. Not because they are okay, but because they have no choice.
अब ये इतनी फ्रीक्वेंटली ये चीज़ें होने लगी हैं कराची में, ऐसे हादसात और ऐसे अलमी जन्म लेने लगे हैं कि लोग उसका अपनी फितरत की तरह मजबूर होते हैं, असर तो लेते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ी देर बाद क्या होता है कि अब वो उसका असर ज़ायल हो जाता है। तो ये एक नमनेस है जो लोगों के अंदर पैदा हो रही है और ये एक इंतहाई ख़तरनाक अलामत है। क्यों? क्योंकि इससे इंसान जो अपनी फितरत के ख़िलाफ़ जा रहा है और फितरत के ख़िलाफ़ जब भी जाता है तो वो एक उसका एंड रिज़ल्ट हमेशा नुकसानदेह होता है, फ़ायदेमंद नहीं होता। यानी इंसान इमोशनली जो है वो अब नम होता जा रहा है और एक एंड पे होगा कि अब वो जो 2-4-10 मिनट उसका तासुर होता है, एक वक्त आएगा कि उसको वक्ती तौर पर भी तासुर नहीं होगा। वो एक नज़र डालेगा, हो सकता है नज़र भी ना डाले और आगे बढ़ जाएगा। तो ये इसका एंड रिज़ल्ट है जो एक इंतहाई ख़तरनाक अलार्मिंग जो है ना वो सिचुएशन होगी।
Turn on the news, another blast, another accident, another breaking news announcing deaths. For a moment everyone is shocked. For a few seconds they feel the pain. And then a comedy show airs right after. And the city laughs again, forgetting the tragedy they just heard. It's not that people don't care. They are already drowning in their own problems. And every new tragedy feels like another stone tied to their feet. People choose distraction because pain has become too familiar. And when sadness becomes a daily companion, escape becomes a necessity.
बात नहीं है कि जिसके ऊपर गुजरती है सिर्फ ये वो चीज़ खुद ही बंदा जानता है, जिस पे नहीं गुजरती तो वो नहीं जानता ये।
And yet, despite everything, people continue. They still fight through each day. They still dream even quietly. They still smile even tired. Because human beings deserve a normal life. They deserve peace, safety, and moments of happiness. They deserve a city that doesn't break them piece by piece. Karachi needs to heal. It needs to revive the heart of its people. So they can feel again. So they can hope again. So they can live, not just survive. This is not just a document. It's a reminder. No human deserves this. And Karachi can be better. It has to be.